Hey there! Just got your hands on AutoCAD and feeling a bit overwhelmed? No worries, I've got you covered with 9 essential tips to kickstart your journey. Let's dive in. First up, learn the interface. Spend some time getting familiar with the layout, toolbars, and command line. It'll save you tons of time later. Tip 2, use the F1 key. Whenever you're stuck, just hit F1 for instant help. It's a lifesaver. Trust me. Number 3, master the keyboard shortcuts. Commands like Alt for line and T for circle will speed up your workflow big time. 4th tip, layers are your best friends. Organize your drawing by using layers to keep everything neat and manageable. Tip 5, use the object snap feature. Precise drawing is crucial, and object snap ensures your elements align perfectly. Number 6, get comfy with the zoom and pan tools. Navigating your workspace efficiently is key to smooth designing. 7th tip, save often and use autosave. Trust me, you don't want to lose hours of work due to a crash. Tip 8, use the properties palette. It's a powerful tool to edit and view object properties quickly. Finally, tip 9, practice, practice, practice. The more you use AutoCAD, the easier it becomes. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn from your mistakes. So there you have it, 9 essential tips to get you started on your AutoCAD journey. Subscribe for more tips and tricks, and happy designing.